Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a Microsoft account, admin access on the PC, and a working internet connection. Once those are ready, open Settings and go to Accounts. Click Sign in with a Microsoft account instead and enter your email and password. This initiates the link. Make sure to approve any two-factor prompts on your phone or alternate device when asked. This start saves local settings to the cloud and prepares device sync and store access. Next, complete the detailed link. After signing in, Windows may prompt to create a PIN for faster sign-in, accept or skip based on preference. Then review sync options and toggle what you want backed up: themes, passwords, language, and browser data. Make sure to confirm the device name shown and check privacy settings like diagnostic data and location. Once you click Next and Done, Windows connects your account to Microsoft services like OneDrive, and to finish, verify the link by opening Settings Accounts and confirming your Microsoft email appears, then check OneDrive sync and store access. If something goes wrong, first check internet connectivity, confirm your password, and ensure two-factor prompts were approved on the correct device. Make sure Windows updates are applied, then retry sign-in. If problems persist, use Microsoft Account Recovery or create a temporary local admin to troubleshoot further. This prevents lockout while you fix authentication issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.